What if I told you you could make $1,000 on YouTube without ever showing your face or using your voice? Right now, faceless YouTube channels are blowing up. People are making 10k, 20k, or even 50k or even more per month just by uploading simple videos. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to start, the best niche that make money fast, and how you can grow your channel and so much more. Stay till the end because I'm revealing the exact tools and strategies that I use to scale my faceless YouTube channels. And let's get started. As you can see, guys, this is one of my faceless YouTube channels over here, and this channel in the last 28 days made $17,145. I have multiple faceless YouTube channels that I'm running. I have been doing this business for over 5 years, and I'm making a lot of money every single month from those faceless YouTube channels. This channel is making between 300 and up to some days up to $1,000 per day, okay, US dollar, okay. And I will re-upload the page, of course, for people who ask re-upload your page. I'm sharing with you my YouTube studio. This is one of my faceless YouTube channels, okay. I already did a video in my in this YouTube channel. You guys can go and check it after, of course, you watch this video, sharing my faceless YouTube channels and how I'm growing those channels, which niches I'm working on, and more, okay. And let's see the result. Of course, the result will be the same result. And this channel, let's see in the last 7 days how much this channel has made. In the last 7 days, this channel made $2,885.94. Okay. Anyway, so for people who want to start a faceless YouTube channel, guys, and you want to start with an easy niche and a profitable niche, and you don't need or you don't want to show your face or use your voice, this is an easy niche that you guys can start with. I already did a lot of research, and I find that this niche is perfect for beginners who want to start a faceless YouTube channel. You guys can start a faceless YouTube channel like this one, uploading nature videos. Super easy to make, they are profitable and more, okay. And they are not taking a lot of time to make videos, okay. They are not taking a lot of time, they are super, you don't need any experience in editing, and I will share with you step by step how you can make like those videos, okay. This is a simple faceless YouTube channel, guys. You can see if we click here on popular, okay, you can see that those videos, for example like this one about Norway, you guys can see simple videos showing Norway, adding free background music to those videos, and starts uploading on YouTube. You see this? The video was uploaded 1 year. This video got 29 million views. And this the best part, guys, with this niche, that this niche is a very evergreen niche, okay, meaning that those videos, guys, that you will upload can keep getting views for a month or even for years, okay. Like look at this one, 19 million views. You see this one here, okay, do you see this? 66 view per hour 4 years ago. This video was uploaded 4 years ago, guys. Look at this one, 2 years ago, 12 million views. This video is still getting 403 view per hour, which makes this niche a profitable niche and easy to start with, okay, for beginners. You guys can click, if we click here on view channel state, let's see how many views this channel is getting per month. You guys can see that this channel is getting 5.4 million views per month, okay. In the last 30 days, this channel got 5.4 million views. So okay, they uploaded just one video, so they are really making a lot of money. And this channel, for people who are asking, can we monetize those videos? Of course you can. This is the proof, and this is one of the channels that it's already monetized, okay. I already checked some channels that just started few months ago, and they got monetized with those videos, okay. You can see the proof here. You see this monetized, okay. Let me show you how much this channel is making. So this channel, if we go to this website show you estimated revenue about how much YouTube channels are making. So if we scroll down, you guys can see in the last 28 days this channel got 4.7 million views. You see here 11 12,000 subscribers, and estimated revenue, guys, it's between $12,000 and up to $34,000. That's really a lot of money. This money, just $10,000 per month, can change your life. Okay, you see how much this channel is making uploading those simple videos, relaxing and nature videos about Norway. You see this? They are super easy to make. So to make like those videos, guys, super easy. Step number one, go to Google and search for Canva. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click here on video and just click on YouTube video over here and you will be directly in this page. What you will do next, you will click here on elements. Okay, click on elements, click on the search for Norway. Let's make like the first video that got, let me see, we will make like this video, okay, like this one who got 29 million views. You see this one? Norway nature, different places of Norway, adding background music, and that's it. So let's go back to Canva, search for, click on element like I said, you search for Norway, you click here on videos, and here you go. You will find a lot of videos about Norway that you can use. So what you will do, so just click on the video that you want to use. For example, let's start with this one. I will click on the first one. Click on the video that you want to use. You will find a lot of different short videos about Norway. Just click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here in this page. Click on this 3 points and scroll down, click on set video as background, okay, and make the video just up to 3 seconds, okay, like this, and click here on add page, okay, and click on add page and add a lot of page that you will use, and you will use those page to add different videos, okay. So here you go, for example like this. Go to the next page and use a different video. I'm going to use, for example, this one here. Just click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points and click on scroll down, click on set the video as background. You can click on the video and you can click here on the time frame, okay, and you can choose just 3 seconds, okay, and click on done. So the video can be just up to 3 seconds. So, and use different videos. You should use different videos. Don't use the same video. Different videos from Norway. I'm going to use, for example, like this one here. Just click on the next video. Click on this 3 points again. Scroll down. Click on set the video as background. And you will keep doing this method to make long video, because your video should be long, at least up to at least 10 minutes, okay. And if you make it over 10 minutes, this will be really good, because YouTube pushing those long videos more, okay. We'll keep using this method, guys, and after this I will show you how we can use and how we can add free background music that you can start using on those videos, so you can get monetization and without any problems or copyright issue with YouTube, okay. So I will get back to you after I finish making a good video, okay. So I just finished the video, guys. So what you need to do next, just go to the first page and you guys can click on between those 2 pages, okay, the first 2 pages, and click on add transition, okay. Click on add transition and add a transition that you want to use between those videos, okay. I like to use this one, match and move. It's a really good one. So, and make it to just 3 seconds. Scroll down again and click on apply between all page, and here you go, your video is done, okay. So what we need next is we need to add some good background music related to this video. So what you will do, guys, you will go to YouTube and search for, let me show you, go to YouTube, search for this channel, okay, no copyright background music, high quality, free and safe, no copyright background music to use in your personal use, okay. You can download those free background music from here, from this channel. Search for background music that will be matched with your video. For example, let me show you, for example, like those background music, inspiring, like those will be really good for you. Or like this one also, piano emotion, like this one also, those background music, they are better ones that you guys can use for those videos. And you have a lot of websites on Google that you can use to download those background music for free, okay? And they are free to use. You should just put in your YouTube description the name of the background music that you are using and the artist name of this background music in your video's description, and you will be fine. You will not get any copyright issue with YouTube, and you can monetize your videos, okay? So after you download the background music to your laptop, go back to your Canva account, click here on upload, click on upload, and click on upload file, and upload the background music that you download. I already have a lot here. Let me check this one. Okay, so for example, I'm going to use, guys, this one. Okay, I will just click on the background music, that's YouTube video that you can use. Okay, what you will do next, you will click here on share, click on download, and click again on download, and click here. Let me show you. Just click on download like this, and the video will be downloading to your laptop. Okay, you guys can see. So I will get back to you guys after this video will be downloading to my laptop and show you my results. So the video, guys, is done. Let's check this out. Okay, and here you go. That's amazing video, guys. You guys can see we just made a faceless YouTube video just by using Canva, and just by using Canva. That's super easy to make. It's super easy, and you can start a faceless YouTube channel like this one. You guys can select this one, Norway video. I made a video like this one just by using Canva. This video that got 29 million views, I made this one just by using Canva. Super easy and simple, okay? You guys can see that those videos are getting a million of views, making so much money. Channel is monetized, and that's it. If you want to start a faceless YouTube channel, you can start a faceless YouTube channel like this one. Got inspired by this one, okay? You see which keywords they are using in their title, in their description, thumbnails, make thumbnails like those videos here, tags, do good SEO for your videos, and you can grow a faceless YouTube channel like this one and start making money from YouTube, okay? It takes time. You need to stay consistent, okay? Because if you guys stay consistent, you can start seeing results fast. And YouTube, guys, need consistency. YouTube rewards those who stay consistent. If you stay consistent on YouTube, you will start seeing results fast, okay? If you upload daily, because those videos they doesn't require any skills or any editing or any experience, you can make one video every day. Just give it just 10-20 minutes, you can make a full video, okay? Every day you can make one video, just working between 10 and 20 minutes per day, and upload daily, and you will start making good results. Also, you will monetize your YouTube channel and start making some good money from YouTube, and you can start multiple faceless YouTube channels and grow them, and you can even hire a team, and you will not work anymore. That's it. Also, guys, I do provide coaching services about YouTube automation and how we can start a faceless YouTube channel, profitable faceless YouTube channel. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. I can help you to choose a profitable niche, to start, to hire a team. If you have a low budget, you can start just by creating videos for yourself, and so much more. Feel free to reach out to me in my email address if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching. If you want me, guys, to make more videos like this and sharing with you new niches, new profitable niches that you can start, that doesn't require any skills or experience from you, comment in this video YouTube automation, and I will start sharing with you free profitable niches step by step. Okay, this channel is showing step by step how to make those videos. I'm not like, for example, not like other people, you can start this niche, you can start this niche. They are not showing you the step by step roadmap how you can start, okay? I'm sharing with you everything here, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, see you in my next videos.